David from Cyprus has a question about trade education.
This is his son.
Oh. Hoo-ha!
Yeah, that's right. Day at the office. Mm-hmm. And he is coming out of the Marines.
Oh, that's wrong. Hoo-ha is not a Marine. That's Army.
Yeah, Semper Fi, right? Anyway, he's coming out of the Marines in December and wants to be an electrician. And David writes, actually, David is no longer going to be actively assigned by the Marines, but he'll always be a Marine.
Oh, absolutely.
And that's the way Marines feel. Anyway, I don't know, he says, if he should attend training school, like, Lone Star College for 2 years and then work 4 years before going for his journeyman's license, or a program where he's allowed to work with a master electrician for 5 days a week, then go to a school one evening for 4 years before getting his journeyman's license. He's not sure about the path, Tom, and David assumes that if he does an apprenticeship, there's got to be some kind of minimal pay to that.
Yeah, you get paid if you work. There's no doubt about it, but don't wait for a 2-year degree to be an electrician. You get registered with the state of Texas. If he's here in Texas, I assume he is. And then you go ahead and start to go to work. Being a veteran Marine coming out of the Corps, he'll probably find a lot of opportunity, whether it's an apprenticeship program. The unions are also training too, but you get to work with the unions also. They have non-union apprenticeship programs. I've involved with all these layers of programs, and they're all good depending what way he wants to go. But don't wait for 2 years and just take classes. I want you to get into the field, because every hour that you work with a master electrician, you work towards your journeyman's license, and that's the first goal.
So so you have to register with the state?
Right online. And what they're going to do is a background check and stuff to make sure you don't have to have, it's not an experience because you're an apprentice, but they want to make sure that your background's clean and you're able to be registered with the state of Texas. And at that point, all the hours you work start to go towards your journeyman's hour, which is, I think, 8,000 hours of work.
Wow.
Yeah, it's not easy. And then another eight or 12 after that, and a lot of testing to become a master.
And that's why there are so few master electricians out there.
I like to call it the PhD of the construction trades, because these guys have really schooled up to become a master.
Mm-hmm. Like Will at Right Touch.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's a master. All right, and like Alan at Abacus is a master plumber.
Oh, yeah, no, it's not easy either.
It's not easy. All right.
Yeah.
You got a question? We'll make it easy for you. Just go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.